Randy here doing life, and in this video I'm going to be opening my Boxycharm Premium. So if you want to know what's in it, stick around.
There must be another way, there must be conscious, different things in different ways. There must be love, there must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way.
If you are brand new to the Boxycharm Premium, it is $35 a month. You get 6 to 7 full-size items. If you guys hear, it is thundering outside like mad, but anyways, it is 6 to 7 items and it's worth $175+ so let's go ahead and get in this. I started to film this earlier, so I have taken a peek at it, and I was filming it outside on my lunch break, and the post office man stopped by to drop off some packages, and so I had to cut it, and I was filming on my phone, which I don't normally do, and if you upload straight to YouTube, there's no stopping the video. So anyways, all right, a little bit of a sneak peek for you. That's what I got. The only thing about this box this month for August is I don't have a card. I do have, however, a little cheat sheet, so I looked everything up so I would be able to tell you what I got and how much the products are worth from what I could find. Alright, the first thing that I'm going to show you is this. It is a lippy from MAC. The color is Spirit 822 and it is worth $19 on the MAC website. That's what that looks like, and the color is a nice nude shade. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you so that you can see. So there we go, $19. We have a MAC lippy. Usually I would tell you what variation I got, but since I didn't get a card this month, I am sitting in the floor by the way. I didn't get a card this month, so I don't know what variation I got. The next item that I'm going to pull out for you is from Fenty Beauty. If you don't know, Fenty Beauty is a Rihanna product. That's who owns Fenty Beauty. And this is a portable contour and concealer brush. So there's the box. And then it's a really cute little compact brush. I love her packaging. We had previously gotten a bunch of Fenty Beauty products when they did Boxycharm did a collab with them, or with Fenty Beauty. So this is what the brush looks like. It's just a little pink brush, super cute, and you just push it up, pull it down, and it is really nice and dense, and it's soft, and I love to put like contour on the creases of my nose, and so that'll get in there really nicely. So there's that. This product right here is worth $24, and I found it on Sephora. Then the next item that I have is by Dermalect. It is an extra large lash volumizer. And this product right here is worth $49. This is what the package looks like. And when you open it up, it looks like the wand from for mascara. So I'm looking forward to trying this. I've never used a lash volumizer before, so I'm curious to see what this looks like. It does say Eyelash plus Eyebrow Boost formula transforms lashes to appear longer, thicker, fuller, and stronger. Specifically formulated to target thin, weak, brittle lashes. Formulated with a strengthening trio of active multi-peptides. Conditioning treatment works to bolster moisturize and fortify. Unbeatable coverage and volume. Excellent for your eyebrows too. So you can do your lashes and get some volume there, or you can put it on your brows. Don't look at my brows because right now they're pretty, they need some work. We'll just say that. I did go and finally get my hair colored at a real salon and got a haircut. We will go on. The next product that I'm gonna pull out is another Fenty Beauty by Rihanna product, and it's called a Fairy Balm. And the color is Coppa Chill. This product right here is worth $28, and it is an all over highlighting powder. So this is what the product looks like. Didn't disappoint on the actual packaging. I love it, and it is a nice like golden color. So there's that. Let's see if I can get a little bit on my finger. Yeah, there you go. And we'll just put some. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. So give you a little shine on your arms, a little shimmer. It's pretty. I like it. Alright, so there's that. The next item that I'm going to pull out is by Sunday Riley. You get to pick one item of your choice, and I picked the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream by Sunday Riley. I have not ever personally used this one, but I have used like the oil, and I really like the Sunday Riley oil, facial oil. So I thought I would give this a try. And it's a big, nice, heavy bottle. It's 1.7 ounces. You can come in. Let's go. It smells straight up like oranges. It smells really good. And it feels really nice too. So that'll be really nice for summer. Although the summer is going to be over soon. This product right here is worth $65. So we have several products in this box that are over the $35 that I paid. Then the last item in the box is a palette. It's by Ciante London. It's the Editor Palette, New England, it says. I have not peeked to see what it looks like. From best I could tell, it runs around $30. Ooh, it's pink. So it's a nice pink palette. I didn't bring a lot of palettes with me when I moved. So, because we haven't sold our house yet, and I couldn't bring a lot. But those are the colors. So those are really pretty colors. And there's some good fall ones too. So I'm looking forward to trying those. I'll swatch a couple. We'll swatch this gold color. And the blue, because I'm always, look at that blue. And we'll do a pink. Alright, so I just swatched a couple of them. Let's see how they do. That gold didn't do much. Let's try some more. There's that. And the blue. Ooh, that is a nice smoky blue color. And then, whoa. Look at that. I like that one. That one's really good. Maddie, turn that light down just a little bit. Matthew's behind me. He's my little light guy, but there you can kind of see him better. Turn it up just a little. There you go. So you can kind of see the shimmer in them, but I really like it. and that blue I think will be really pretty for like even as an eyeliner. So there is that. Just to recap, this is around $30. The Fenty Beauty is the Fairy Balm, $28. The Lash is $49. A MAC lipstick is $19. And last but not least, the little contour brush was $24. So well over my $35 that I paid for this box. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, thanks for please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for those who helped me get to over 1,000, and I really do appreciate it. I have lots more boxes coming. Sitting on the other side of Matthew behind this camera is my Transcend, and I have a Stitch Fix as well, so those will be coming up. But thanks for sticking around, and I have some vlogs as well. All right, see you later. Bye.